Hi guys, welcome. This is a very interesting video and it will be very useful to you, believe me. This is a magnet software I have created. What you have to do, you just have to save that software in your desktop or in your file, and from that you will easily able to convert any number into words, maybe in Hindi and maybe in English. Here you can see example that I have written number here, and automatically it has converted into Hindi number also and English word also. You can apply that formula in any cell. So if I will convert this number into 1, automatically words will change. So for confusion, I will remove all the below formulas and I will click here only. So if I will write 12 here, the amount will change. If I will write 99 here, amount will come in Hindi also and in English also. So some people who prepare invoices in Excel or any document like certificates and beneficiary certificate, certificate of origins, other documents in Excel, it is very useful to them as they have to convert number into words manually. So to avoid that effort and to automate that, this software is very useful and you will love this. It is that easy. So what you have to do, you just have to write any number here, and in the cell you want automatically number, you just have to write is equal to num. If you want to convert it in Hindi, you can select this option, num to Hindi, and if you want to convert it in English, you can select num to words. So first of all I will select num to Hindi, and then I will select that cell, comma, write 1 and bracket close. So you can see that so now if you will change any number here, automatically it will convert your value. So for English it is easy than Hindi. You have to write is equal to num to word, select that cell and just close the bracket, and automatically words will come. So what you have to do, I will share one file with you. This number 2 Hindi English magnet by Mudit Lalwani. You have to save this file in your folder, any folder of your choice. Then what you have to do, one thing is prerequisite that your file should be format of your file. Format of your file is should be macro enable. So how you can see that, you have to go to file, you have to save as. You can save your file anywhere. In the save type you can see my file is Excel macro enable workbook. So it is prerequisite, it is very compulsory, otherwise my macro will not work. Generally it is Excel workbook, so you have to convert into Excel macro enable workbook and then save the file. Second prerequisite is, here you can see developer option. Some of the users who do not use macros and VBAs might not see this option in your laptop or desktop. So how to bring that, you have to go to file, you have to click on this option, go to customize ribbon, and in this, in right side you can see different options here. You have to click on this developer option and just click on OK. Now you will able to see this developer option. Now what you have to do, click on this Excel add-in. So when you will click this Excel add-in, different magnets will come. So you have to browse and you have to select my magnet. So I have saved my magnet in desktop in this folder. So I will select this and click on OK. Now you will able to see that option in this list. So you have to just select this and click on OK. Now that macro is enabled in your file, so whatever Excel file you will work from now, you will be able to use this formula. So now you have to, what you have to do, you have to write any number here. To convert that, click on is equal to, click to number to Hindi or number to word. So I will select number to Hindi, select this cell, comma 1 for Hindi, and for English we have to num click on tab, select the cell and close the bracket. So hopefully you will like my magnet, and for similar videos subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, like the button, and if you want to write any comments also, you can write it. Till next video, goodbye.